morning everyone, it's Rachel here, and I have finally completed my Christmas kits. I'm just going to get Steph to do another one that's more, he's better at doing that than me, and that will go in the next few days. So we've got 8-page journal pages, and I sort of they're a little bit different to the other ones, but they all coordinate, you know, my past ones, but they all coordinate in really well. So I did use a lot of my own scanned ephemera and bits and pieces of graphics fairy. I think like all of that, they're all mine. That's mine. And then, you know, that's, I don't know, I think that might be from the graphics fairy graphic. Oh, that might be just from a postcard or something. I can't think. And then, you know, sort of background sort of things as well. So there's this one. I absolutely love them, really thrilled with how they've turned out. That's from my beautiful book from the 1500s that we scanned there. And then this one, I think Steph did this. He did one of the pages. I think it was this one. Isn't it gorgeous? And then this one here. Now I have printed them borderless, but you can print them, you know, non-borderless. Now the US size is different to our size. You just remove adapt to frame or adapt to page sort of thing, because then it cuts off. You just let it print its actual size, and then you won't lose any of the page. And this is like one of my favorite pages. And then this one here. And this is my other favorite page, because I love blue. That's a beautiful piece of mattress sticking that I have. Yeah, and lovely ephemera. So those are the journal pages. And then I did an ephemera kit, and I used a lot of my own things, and then a few public domain bits and pieces of old fabrics and that sort of thing. Let me just check I'm on screen. Yes, I'll just slide it up a little bit. Okay, so, and again, there's 8 pages. So old postcards, bits and pieces from my postcards, communion cards. I just love them. I think they're going to be really fun to play with. So I'll just quickly go through those. Yeah, bits and pieces of ephemera there. Gorgeous postcards from the 1900, I think they were, those ones. And some of those that went in the chocolates and things, and a few fussy cut bits, but not too many, because I haven't I did cut out some of these, but they're a bit sort of grey, the colors really, so I didn't like them so much. I like the brighter fussy cut bits, so I kept them in whole. And then here, absolutely love that. It's a wintry sort of scene. And then that's that one. And then I didn't realize, but I've never done a actual tag kit. I have called it kit 3 because I called my labels label tags. So and there's 1 and 2 of those. So this one's number 3. I've just called this number 3, even though it's not. It's really number 1. But it's my 3rd Christmas set that I've done. But I did call this kit 4. It's confusing, isn't it? Kit 4, because I've got 4 journal page sets, and I think I've got 4 ephemera sets, and then this I've put as number 3. So anyway, don't worry about it. So they're big tags. You could if you print if you choose the reduced full page, then they'll come out smaller if you want them smaller. You could do 2 to a page and get even smaller tags if you need really small ones, or you can, you know, go into your printer and settings and do so there's 8 pages of these as well. You could do, the percentage. You might have, if you're printing from your iPad or phone, you may have less control over what you're printing. You have to print from the PDF. So I never print from my phone or what's it called, iPad. Because you do have less control. I much prefer to print from the desktop, but not everybody has a desktop. But if you have a laptop, you can do the same things as what you can do from a desktop. So you can do, otherwise you have to go somewhere and get them to print it for you in reduced sizes. So there they are. So I'm actually can't wait to play with those, and I will be doing that very soon. So I hope you like them, and there will be one more kit coming that Steph's going to work on. He's going to start on it today, I think, and then we are set for Christmas, so we can get crack-a-lackin'. So I hope you're having a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.